Hello. In this tutorial we will see the configuration parameters of QuickRows. It's actually very simple. Settings can be made to change activation keys, interface language, and word spacing characters. Let's take a look. The first field is the license number. It is an alphanumeric code that contains encrypted information regarding the holder and the activation date. It will arrive by email, and you can copy it to activate your license. The field related to word separators allows you to assign special characters to fragment the content of the cells. It is used mainly in the tasks of text normalization. The default character is white space, but the dash, comma, or decimal point can be added. It is convenient to restore the default value at the end of the task where a character other than white space had been used. The double-click action can also be reconfigured. Let's see each one of them. We will start with the construction of pivot tables, which is usually done with the Ctrl+2 combination. Let's try it. We select any sheet containing data and double-click on a cell. Great. Let's change to another sheet and create a new pivot table. Very good. One more. Perfect. Let's go back to the QuickRows menu and try the option for marking rows with the same content. Let's see. Very good. One more. Perfect. If you want to change the marking color, you can choose it in the function 7 of the menu. It is very simple. Let's choose this color and try it. OK. We return to the menu and restore the default function, which is the automatic data selection and copying. Take note that we could also disable it. The next option is the choice of the interface language, which is immediately updated. Finally, we can choose the combination of keys that we will use to perform the actions to invoke the menu, to select rows, to construct dynamic tables, and to generate the quick analysis sheet. Suppose you want to activate QuickRows from now on with the control function 4 key combination. All you have to do is insert the indicated symbol, the string F4, and press the button to save the changes. This way you can configure the function activation keys to your liking. The red button is used to delete all the sheets built by QuickRows, and that contain the string QR, and a consecutive number in the tab. It's a simple way to discard intermediate builds before getting a final result. Look at the tabs with the sheet names. Now we press the red button. As we can see, the active sheet is respected. That is, it is not eliminated even when it is a sheet built by QuickRows. However, it is advisable to change the name of the sheet to preserve it, avoiding its accidental deletion. All the changes we make in the configuration are permanent until they are redefined. That's it. See you in the next tutorial.